Okay, all the wind's blowing, so it might be like swaying a little bit. I'm gonna like clear out this fireplace. It has like old stuff in it. Just get it out of here. There's probably like who knows what is in here. That's why I have gloves on. Okay, y'all. So today I'm gonna be cooking some deer meat, like steaks, with a cast iron over fire. So yeah, I just chopped up some of this wood that you see right there. I put in a clip, I guess. All right, y'all, we're chopping some wood for our fire. I just flipped my nail up. Okay. Oh, my back hurts. Anyways, low-key some hard work. I'm just kidding. I'm like pretty good with an axe. But now it's time to get this fire on the road. I've never done this before with deer meat, but I have cooked a steak like this, and it was probably the best steak I've ever had in my life. And my brother Colby said that it was also probably the best steak he's ever had. So it's like, it's something else. It like hits different over a fire with a cast iron. I'm not good at making fires. I feel like there's no way to mess up here, but I just feel like I'm not good at it. So we'll see how many attempts this takes. I'm scared because I literally made a little bundle of tinder in there and it took forever to like gather it. So I'll just do one match and just stick it in there. Okay. Come on, baby. Frick. Wow, I'm smoking up the house. Hey, Molly, close the window. Please burn the dang sticks. Ooh, that hot. It's not burning the sticks. What? That's my problem. Also, don't worry, I have a bucket of water with me, just in case things start to have a mind of their own. It likes that pine, y'all. I knew it. Let me see what y'all angle looking like. Dang, y'all can't even tell there's a fire going. I'm sorry. Dang, it's burning this pine tree up. I notice how like the sticks I set up literally aren't doing anything. It just fell. So let me like work my magic. I'm just gonna enjoy a bev. Yeah, I'm just kind of out of like video ideas at the moment. I like was up all night editing my my beach vlog. It's gonna be a 3-parter next week if you're interested. I'd probably subscribe though, because you probably will never find my videos again if you don't subscribe. So out of the 4 people watching this, I would suggest subscribing, but that's on you. I have to tend to the fire. Also, I have a vintage cast iron pan, and that sucker was in rough shape. Get over here. Anyways, it was like all rusty or whatever. Not my fire trying to creep out. Ew. Anyways, y'all, I bought cast iron and I re-seasoned it, and it's vintage. I kind of wanted to like just cook with it on the fire, because that's what I like to do with my cast irons. So that's what we're gonna do in this video. Also, a little talk with the steaks. They are deer backstrap, and they might look a little weird because they might look a little weird because I soaked them in some salt water all night to try to get as much blood out of them as possible, because if you've never had deer, it's like funky sometimes. Like, you have to make it right. It's really easy to like make deer taste gross. So I soaked it in some salt water to kind of like draw out the blood. So now they're like a little bit gray, but that's okay. You know, I'd rather have gray meat than like gamey deer meat, because oh my goodness, last time I had deer meat, it was funky. This is just a little update. We got 4 more logs on there since last time, I think. I'm just waiting for them to burn down a little bit more. Trying to get a nice hot bed of coals to cook these steaks on. Also, this has been sitting in our freezer for a while, so it might be a little sketchy. I'm not gonna tell you how long, but it's a little bit like questionable. Like, this deer was killed a long time ago. Not that long, but like kind of long. So hopefully it's not like freezer burned or anything. Y'all, I just love a fire. Especially like in the wintertime, or just at least when it's cold. Like in the last video, I said that I wanted a hot dog night and a s'mores night. And y'all, it came to pass. I didn't vlog it. I have a clip of it. I'll probably put it in. But yeah, that's probably my like favorite thing to do. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna move. I'm gonna add some more logs to this. So let me put on my gloves. Oh, look at them coals at the bottom there. That's what I'm gonna be cooking on. Y'all, this wood burns nice. I was scared I was gonna like get the most flame resistant wood you can possibly get out in the woods, because that's typically what I do. That's why I can't make fires half crap. But like, this is a fire. Like, I'm about to cook something on this. We got the wood cooked down. Let's get these jokers broken up. Here's our vintage cast iron pan, seasoned by moi. We're just gonna slap that sucker on there. So we're just gonna let our cast iron preheat so it can really get to going. So in a perfect world, I would have like butter. I already have butter, but in a even more perfect world, I would have like fresh rosemary and garlic. I don't have that, so I have garlic, and I have like not fresh rosemary that's already on the steaks. They're pre-seasoned. So I think it's about ready. So we're just gonna pour some oil on our pan. Ooh, that's hot. That's hot, y'all. Oh, I need a spoon. Hey, Molly! Give me a spoon! Let's see what they're looking like. That's not the crust I was looking for. I'm gonna flip it back over really quick. It needs to be a little bit more crustier than that. Oh, this pan is good. I seasoned the heck out of it. Can you smell it? You smell it? I'll give him a piece for sure. I don't know if you can like give cats rosemary, but I'll look it up. Alright, y'all, we're gonna check. We're gonna do a little peek. Oh my word, yes. Yes, ma'am. Dang, that one ain't ready yet. That one ain't either. Wiggy, don't take my trash. Get out of that. That's right. Oh, y'all seeing that? We're gonna get that nice crust built. Looks really good. Y'all, maybe my coals are like going down. Maybe I should get down there and breathe on them. Ash City. I'm just trying to get the coals, you know? This is like not gonna be fun to edit. Here we have some butter and garlic. Get this where it needs to go. Flip them over in that butter. Ooh, my plate's a little soggy. So I'm gonna find a way to get this pan off of the coals because it's popping. I think this needs to be a little bit smaller. I can't afford this to spill on me. I'm gonna try to get it to this rock. Let me stir these coals up a little bit. Okay, y'all, this is like really ugly presentation, but I'm just gonna roll with it. Also, this pan needs to find somewhere else to sit. I don't know how to sit my butt right here right now. I did not bring a knife, so I'm gonna just have to use this one. What? You want some? Now that juice in there, you might think that's blood, but it's not. Forgot what you call it. It's like intermuscular something or another. And I don't want it. Let's see what we're working with. Uh-oh. It's a little raw. I am not doing flies today. I just need to hurry up. It's not raw. It's not gamey, y'all. Okay, now that I know that it tastes good, this is 5 years old. This deer was killed in 2020. And it's still good. And like for deer, it's tender. That tastes like steak. Y'all. This is where it's at. So if y'all got some backstrap in the freezer, go outside, make you a fire, get your cast iron, fire it up. Get it going. It was really good. I'm just out here in the wilderness eating some deer meat. This video is so random. I think deer has a certain texture that beef doesn't have. I think that's the downside to deer is the texture. So you bite into it and it's like, now this piece was crusty. Like, that's like medium done, I think. I'm gonna save the last steak for like my sister. You know, let her live a little. Wiggy! I'm gonna give him a piece. Rosemary probably is fine. Like, he got his balls chewed off by a tomcat. I'm sure he can survive some rosemary. I gave Wiggy a bite, and he was eating it up.